Do you struggle with keeping your place clean? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to discuss 5 ways to organize your cleaning schedule here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granock. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field. And one of the things I love helping my clients do is figure out how to be more productive with their time. And certainly the issue of cleaning comes up all the time because organizing is important, but so is keeping a clean house. Let's talk about 5 ways that you can organize your cleaning schedule so that you could be more successful with keeping up with keeping your house clean. The first step is to break it up. So make a list of all the regular cleaning activities that need to be done in all the rooms of your house, whether it's vacuuming, dusting, mopping, you get the idea. And divide the total number of chores that you come up with by 5 days so that you have 2 days out of the week where no cleaning needs to be done. Then distribute the chores evenly so that each cleaning day has a mix of one larger task and a few smaller ones. Now, once you've decided which chores should be done when, make a weekly list, post it on the refrigerator so that you have a visual reminder of what chores need to be done each day. Our next step is to get others involved. So unless you're living alone, why should you be the only person responsible for cleaning the house? Give out cleaning assignments based on what people don't mind doing. If your daughter really likes vacuuming, that could become her regular chore throughout the house. And take the remaining jobs that nobody likes and rotate them regularly among all family members. The third step is to carry your supplies. So to save time and energy, you can customize a tote bag or a bucket with all the types of items that you need to clean up each room. And some ideas would be disinfectant wipes, multi-surface cleaning spray products, furniture polish, rags, rubber gloves, trash bag liners, and a large trash bag so that you can empty the room trash cans. If your house has more than one level, you can store a vacuum cleaner, a mop, and a bucket on each floor so that you don't have to carry your cleaning supplies up and down the stairs. The fourth step is block it out, then tune it out. So have a set day and time for doing your cleaning chores, such as Sunday afternoon from 1 to 4. Write your cleaning tasks in your calendar to make sure that you honor the commitments. And when it's time to clean, turn off potential distractions, whether that's the TV, the internet, or even the ringer on your phone. If you want to shorten the amount of time it takes to do weekly cleaning, do these tasks every day. Make your bed every morning. Check the bedroom and living room for dishes and return them to the kitchen every morning. After you do your cooking, soak your pots and pans in warm soapy water before cleaning. Wash the day's dishes or put them in the dishwasher every night. Wipe up spills on stovetops, kitchen counters, and surfaces as soon as they occur. And sweep the kitchen floor each night after dinner. Store disinfectant wipes next to the kitchen sink and each bathroom sink, and wipe every sink basin and counter in your home once a day. Hang up your towels after each use until it's laundry day. Hang up your clean clothes and put your dirty clothes in the hamper each night before you go to bed. I hope these tips have helped you get a handle on how to organize your cleaning schedule. I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday, so be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go, so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.